Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix LG dryer D80 error code. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your LG dryer here and you're getting that D80 error code, in this case, it basically means that there's a restricted airflow issue. So most likely caused by lint built up here. So what do you need to do? So first is you want to start by taking out the lint filter and basically unscrewing it around. So be careful. Those screws are small and easy to lose, so do it really carefully here. Now you might want to do this in a well-lit area or use a flashlight if it's dark. Now, even if you vacuum the area before, there might be still be a clog that you didn't see. Sometimes lint collect deeper inside, out of reach of the vacuum nozzle here. So in this case, you might want to basically look inside the section here and see if there are any lint inside. Now also, when checking for blockages, natural daylight or a flashlight can help you see spots that were missed. Now if there's still lint buildup, it's probably what's causing the D80 error here. Now if the vacuum can reach the clog area here, try using a tube or a scooping tool to break up the lint and move it toward the center. Now once it's actually loose, vacuum it up again and see in this case if it clears out or it clears the passage. Now after cleaning this out, put everything back together and run the dryer. The air should be gone and the airflow should be back to normal. Now if the air persists, you might want to check the vents and wall duct here to make sure there aren't any block further down. And in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.